So the first reason, the first reason it should not is there's no regulation, right? It's still in its infancy. It's taken them almost 20 years just to kind of figure out, it's something new. It took them a while, it took the government a while to try to figure out how to, tax the internet, right? And so when government catches on, when they eventually catch on, if you haven't already been in it, then, you've already missed your opportunity, right? So by the time the government catches on, or by the time they catch up with it, then the money would have already been made. So let me give you an example. So because there is no regulation, that to me is fertile ground for a lot of people who are uneducated when it comes to risk, or who does not have the sophistication in playing in this space to be involved. So if there's no regulation, basically if the guy that's coming to cut your lawn, right? And there's nothing against people who cut lawns, right? That's what's so difficult about being a podcast.